Hello again, lots. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 27 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. It's also off the board. So again, I'm going to cheat. This is my off the board and the sketch. So we've got a large title, 2 photos, and some journaling. I don't do the journaling, but we're going to make it work. The photos are going to be these two here of my son in front of Caesar's Palace on his 21st birthday trip. I'm thinking I'm going to make some kind of shaker packet with these fun little cards, chips, and dice and suits. I've got this K Company tag. I don't know if that's even going to work, but we're going to try because I'm trying to use some things up. This fun little thing of little clear stickers here. Happy birthday stuff, so I usually try to pull in one happy birthday piece every time. I'm going to try to see how many more of these I can use up. I've got the family fun journaling bits pieces. That's actually 2 packs. I have 3. I've got the just plain fun tags, some film strips, color cast designs, 3 stars. I've got what I'm going to pull my large title from, and then the papers that we're going to use. I'm going to use this red one here as my base page. So we're going to trim that down. The back is popcorn. Okay. I am going to mat my photo in this piece, although it does have the strips. Let's go ahead and, well, let's do this. Let's cut one of these strips off. Get the green one, and then I want to get this teal one cut off. Alright, now let's see what we can trim down on the photo. If we just trim it down, how big is this now? This is like 1, 2, 3, 4.5. So if we can get, we're not going to be able to get those to 4 by 4. Even if, nope. Good thing I pulled other things as well. Huh. Alright. So we're going to leave them as is. So let's just go ahead and mat them with this scrap. And then just then we'll mat it with the yellow. Alright. Okay. One more time. I'm just roughly fussy cutting it, you guys, because it's just, you know, it's just easier. So we'll put this back over here. Okay. The problem is I'm probably going to have a lot of this collection left over, but then I think, what if I don't? And then I don't have enough. I know, right? I actually think we'll have enough. And then we'll just trim this one out as well. It's very rare I leave things at a 4x6 on the photo. So that's kind of fun for me. And then this little piece that I'm trimming off now, we are going to toss, but I will save this piece. Alright, so what I was thinking was, since I've got these two pieces, I would run like top and bottom maybe? What do you think? Or we could just do like a shelf. Ooh, wait. Let's do it like this. I know exactly what we're going to do. Okay. So, we're going to trim that off there. We'll trim that one off there. We actually might pull in some more of these because we're going to kind of do that. And then I was going to run them do I want to do the photos like that, or do I want to do the photos? Yep, I'm changing everything up. I want more of those strips. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of these strips out and create a cluster behind there. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so we've got our long title. I've kind of changed everything all around. I've got all of those back there. I want to put those two little pieces there. And I think we're going to go with Birthday Boy. And just tuck it right into here. Like that. And then we're going to put this guy under here to do one cluster. So put that cluster there. And then we're going to cut this one in half. Not because I'm trying to save it, you guys, just because it's not going to fit if I don't. And put that one there. We'll save this one. And then let's just cut that in half. And we'll stick a portion of it in each one of these. Okay. Get one of these guys in there as well. Just gonna tuck this one like that. There we go. And then this ticket. There. And let's see if we can get these two little tags in here somewhere. Gonna stick that one there, and then we'll stick this one right there. Just kind of a little fun. These three things we're gonna put back in their containers. Okay. And let's go ahead and get this guy stuck down. Alright. I'm just going to pop him under there. Loop it around just to bring some more of the black in. Like so. We've got these little wordy bits that I want to get on there. Let's see. Actually, stick that there. And then these two. I'm just going to go upside down because why not? I'm not going to really be able to tell what it is. Let's get these little word bits on here. So we've got play all day. This one says gamer. And, you know, Sam is a gamer. So put that one there. Let's put the play all day right here because I love to put things on photos. That is crooked as all get out. Okay. Do winner. Pass the popcorn. And let's see. So we're going to stick good times right here. And then pass the popcorn. Go on this one, and we got winner. Let's stick winner right there. The tags are not going to get used, and neither is this cute little bunch of stuff. Let's see if we can pull in these guys. Probably do that. All right. So let's just pull off the backing. I'm going to just use some liquid glue. And just get that nice and adhered right on there. So we'll stick that kind of like so. Where's the other little guy? Backing's already pulled off. He's going to go there. And I've already got the backing off of this one as well. This guy's going to go right about there. And then we just press, press, press. And I saved those. Those are really nice. Like, if you guys want to check out Colorcast Design, I'm not affiliated with them at all, but seriously, check them out. Very, very nice, high quality. I get the subscription box once a month. So let's go ahead and pop these guys around the little layout. And get some red up here. We're going to put red right there on the photo because why not? Okay, let's come in with some green. Actually, I might be able to use all of these up. Let's see. So I can. Yes, I can. And that's another one used up mostly because they sunk in, so they're weird to me. But now they're used up. All right. Let's save that packaging up there. This I'm actually going to save because I actually like the backing. And then we'll toss this. And that's going to do it, you guys, for today's layout. So thank you so much for hanging out. See if you want a bit of a close-up here. Just kind of run that through for you. All kinds of fun stuff going on. Kind of switched up that sketch, but that's okay. Do all the fun YouTube things like subscribe, join memberships. Hey, I do have a membership on my YouTube channel if you guys would like to hang out. Member videos are exclusive every Sunday, and we do lots of fun mixed media and stuff. And if there's something that you want me to try or do something, it's really all about you guys. Head to my Facebook group. Also, we'll be hosting another mixed media class. We're finishing up. We got one more week for my Q1 class, and we'll be doing a Q2 class, and the kit will be coming from the Trace Jolie Kit Club, which I'm super excited to partner up with her on that. And that is it. So I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.